is starting?
Yeah, we are in a Nigam hospital with a day transplant center. Now we are showing a new technique for the how to inject PRP, PRF, exosomes without anesthesia, without any local anesthesia. Directly I am injecting. So this is a vibrator, counter irritatant, and this is another vibrator for another counter irritating. You see now, you can ask sir, how the from 0 to pain.
How do you pain now?
Now any pain?
With the 0 and 10.
No.
No pain,
Real.
so 0 pain.
Yeah, you can ask the direct grading,
Grading.
1 to 10.
1 to 10.
Any pain is there now?
Only 1%, sir.
Yeah, only one. But now, no.
No, sir.
No.
What about now?
Yes. So this is a new technique. Yeah. This is a new technique.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. No. No pain.
No pain.
No
So
pain.
thank you. This is a new concept. We are happy to be here with Raj sir, and we have Sarala madam. Thank you.